DropTalk is a communication
Hi.
support application for the individuals cannot speak well.
Hello.
You can tell your emotion,
Happy.
things necessary, things interesting, or saying
Hungry.
hello, hi, etc. by tapping
Yes.
the icon.
No.
Even if you are usually a person who can speak freely, DropTalk can also be used as a sampler. So, everyone can use DropTalk with one's awesome ideas. This page for communicating is Canvas. You can create your original canvas. Tap the plus displayed on the top left and add canvas. Select a template you want to use. Tap the edit on the top right and the blank icon shaped square. That way, you can add various icons for your canvas. I use library. Select standard library, movement, and basic movement. I add eat.
Eat.
The icon displayed on canvas is symbol. You can take the action by tapping the symbol. DropTalk has enormous icons. I enjoy viewing the default icon all day. I am just joking. After completing to add the symbol, tap the done displayed on top right. Ready to use.
Eat. Bread. Eat. Fruit. Hello. Goodbye.
You can rework your canvas. Tap the edit displayed on top right. After selecting the symbol you want to rework, you can replace the symbol, edit the display method in detail.
Good night.
DropTalk has a function called Schedule, like a to-do list. You can add your plan, some words, and time. If you've done, you can put a check mark. In addition, Schedule has a function timer. You can see how long you do it. This movie is only for introduction. For more information, please see our other videos and official social networking service.